alarms are very important. They can warn you of danger before a fire gets out of control. Just show the people at home how you can test your smoke alarm.
There are a number of ways to test a smoke alarm. I'm going to be using the match method.
Or you could just press the test button here.
I know what I'm doing, love. Now, the smoke from my recently extinguished match causes alpha radiation that ionises the air pod. Oh!
And that's what it sounds like when you test your smoke alarm.